Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem. Here we have 3 to the power of m minus 3 to the power of n is equal to 234, and we will solve this problem for the positive integer values of m and n. So here you remember one thing is that m and n must be positive integer. So now the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can write this 3 to the power of m as 3 to the power of m. I can just add n in this exponent and you get m minus n plus n, and minus you have 3 to the power of n is equals to 234. And now you can use here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m plus n, it is equals to a to the power of m times of a to the power of n. It means that if you have exponent in the form of addition, then you can separate these two exponents. And now here you have these two exponents. The first exponent is m minus n, the other exponent is only n. We can separate these two exponents and you get the output in the form of 3 to the power of m minus n times of 3 to the power of n, minus here you have 3 to the power of n is equal to 234. And now you see that we have 3 to the power of n is the common term. So here we take common 3 to the power of n on both of the terms, and you see that 3 to the power of m minus n minus 1, because here 3 we will take common 3 to the power of n and you get only 1, is equals to 234. And now we make the factors of 234, and you see that the factors of 234 are 3 squared time of 26. If you can multiply 26 by 9, you get 234. So now by comparing, you see that in the left hand side we have two factors, and similarly in the right hand side we will again have the two factors. So by comparing, you get 3 to the power of n is equals to 3 squared, and the other case is we get 3 to the power of m minus n minus 1 is equals to 26. So now first I can solve this case, and here you see that we have the bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equal. So we can implies that n is equals to 2 be the first root of the given equation. So now in order to find the other root or other, because in the question statement we have m and n, and we will solve this problem for the real values or for the integer values of m and n. So here we have n is equal to 2 be the first integer values, and now we will use this value of n to find the value of m. So now we solve the second case, and in this case first we move this minus 1 in the right hand side, and you get 3 to the power of m minus n is equals to 26 plus 1, and 26 plus 1 is equals to 27. And now we make the prime factors of 27, and you know that the prime factors of 27 are 3 to the power of 3, and in the left hand side you have 3 to the power of m minus n. So here you focus on both of the sides, and you see that bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equal according to an exponential law. So we get here m minus n is equals to 3, but here you get the value of n which is equals to 2. Now we use this value here in order to find the value of m, so that we can put n is equals to 2, and you get m minus 2 is equals to 3. And now we move this minus 2 in the right hand side, and you finally get the value of m is 5. So these are the two integer values of m and n. So the value of m is 5 and the value of n is 2. These are the two final values of this question, and now we will check these values, is these values are satisfied the given question or not. So that in order to check, we will put the values of m and n in the given question statement, and our given question statement is 3 to the power of m minus 3 to the power of n is equals to 234. So now you can put m is equals to 5 and n is equals to 2 is and whole is equals to 234. So now you can find 5 times. So when you can multiply 3 to 5 times, you get 243 minus 3 squared is equals to 9 and whole is equals to 234. So when you subtract 243 minus 9, you get 234 is equals to 234. So this is the our, this shows that x m is equals to 5 and n is equals to 2 be the only solution of the given question, and this is the our final answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.